Girl, this will literally have you smelling fresh all day long. Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, hey boy, my name is Ericarenee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, let's get right into this video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm about to be doing like a little like hygiene tips plus like some skincare tips, body care tips. Girl, it's a lot. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing this video, make sure to keep on watching. Okay girl, so I want to give like some tips on how to keep your pH balance afloat, keep it good, keep it straight. These are just things that help me. I'm not sure if it'll help like everyone, so I'm just gonna say this. These are just things that I do. So if you're unsure about any of these things, then I suggest you just talk to your doctor. Make sure that you know that you can do these things because everybody's body is different, girl. So yeah, let's get right into this. Okay, so the first things first, I feel like what can really help you stay fresh all day long and just something that's like long term is you want to make sure that you're taking probiotics. Like that's one thing that I have recently learned that I need to do is take probiotics. I usually drink like drinks that have probiotics in it, or you can like have yogurts. Like Greek yogurt has probiotics in it as well. So it's these probiotic pills. They're actually called a hum. I'm gonna have it on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. But girl, I just recently discovered these and I ordered them today, so I'm excited to see how these will work. These are from Sephora, and y'all, they have so many good reviews. Like literally I did not see one bad review, so I'm very excited about trying these. But that's just like one thing that you can use. I'm gonna try it out. I'll tell y'all what it's given, but based on the reviews I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. Okay, so it says that it's supposed to support the vaginal and urinary tract health, and it's vegan, gluten-free, no parabens, and it also what does it say? I think it has cranberry in it as well. So yeah, it has a lot of good stuff, y'all. So this is definitely something that you should definitely think about doing, taking a probiotic. It doesn't have to be this specific one. Eat a Greek yogurt. Make sure to drink drinks that have lots of probiotic in it. I love drinking kombucha. Kombucha is good to me. If y'all haven't heard of kombucha, it is so good. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about is actually like what to use when you're like taking a shower. How to clean your girl. You want to make sure she's clean, okay? So what I love using, y'all, if I'm not using the honey pots, I love using this sugar cookie, and I've talked about this in like one of my previous videos, girl. So I'm actually going to have it right here on the screen. Yeah, I'm looking at my phone because I have like notes because I be all over the place when I be doing these sit down videos. But it's called the Soap Cookie Feminine Wash, and it's only $6.75, and I believe it comes with two of the soaps. So the website is called skinfoodfix.com. And girl, when I tell you it smells so good, like it smells really good. It has a lot of like good ingredients in it. Let me just tell y'all, first of all, girl, this will literally have you smelling fresh all day long. Like no lie, this is honestly low-key better than the honey pot. I ain't gonna lie, like it's low-key better than the honey pot. So it has apple cider vinegar and yogurt probiotics. Like I said, probiotics are good for you. And yeah, it basically helps your pH balance as well. So yeah girl, you need to go get it and tell me if you go get it and if you like it, because it is bomb. Okay, so let's get into some other hygiene tips. So I like to use mouthwash in the morning and at nighttime, and this specific one was recommended to me by my dentist. And girl, I really do love this a lot. This is from the brand Listerine, and this is actually an antiseptic. So I believe you're supposed to use a mouthwash and a fluoride together. So I think that's what they call it, antiseptic. I think that's what they call it, y'all. So yeah, this is the gum therapy. So this is really good to help with like your gums, any redness, bleeding, or inflammation, to like help the early signs of that. So this is really good for gum use basically. So this is why I believe my dentist did suggest for me to use this, because you do want to have a mouthwash that's good for your gums, not just your teeth or your breath. You want to be taking care of your gums too. So yeah, this is a really good one. This is how it looks. I actually get mine from Target. Okay, so let's get into some skin and like the body, because you want your body to be glowy. You want it to be soft. You don't want to be walking around ashy, okay? You don't want to be ashy, dry skin. No. And me personally, I have eczema, and it usually flares up like during the summertime. Like right now my neck has been breaking out, y'all, like so annoying. So what I like to use honestly for like my skin is Aquaphor. Aquaphor is like a really thick consistency. It's kind of like a Vaseline, but it's like really thick. And yeah, that just really keeps me moisturized during these winter months, girl. Like I'll be moisturized up, okay? I like to also use a body scrub. So I like to use Tree Hut, or sometimes I'll use like the Fenty Skin body scrub. The Fenty Skin body scrub is good, but it's just not a lot that comes in the bottle. So if you use body scrub like 3 times a week, girl, you're gonna run out of that Fenty Skin because it's not a lot that comes in there, but it's still a pretty good body scrub. But I think I prefer the Tree Hut brand because they have so many different scents and it just smells so good. So yeah, I love using that. And then for my face, y'all, I feel like my face has like, it's really being really clear these days, okay? And let me tell you what I've been using, okay? So I've been using this Peter Thomas. This is the Irish Mud Mask. Girl, I had a pimple that came on my chin because my period was about to come on. Y'all know when your period about to come on, you be getting those breakouts. It's just so annoying. So I put this mask on my face. Girl, literally that same day, the pimple had flattened out. Like, it was flat. I was like, oh my gosh. This stuff right here is the truth. It's a little pricey. It's like $60, y'all. But you can get this from Sephora, of course. You already know Sephora is the plug. But baby, you need to try this. And it doesn't dry like a regular like mud mask will. You know how like a regular mask will like dry and it'll be hard? Girl, it doesn't do that. It literally is like a jelly type texture and it stays that way the whole time that it's on your face. This stuff right here, you need to go get it. Peter Thomas, okay? And I hear a lady in Sephora told me that he makes his brand, he keeps in mind women of color. So girl, try this out because it's really good. And y'all, I recently just started using this product and I have to say I do like it. I don't feel like it's really making a difference in my skin, but I do like it. So this is the Necessaire the Body Serum. This has the hyaluronic acid in it, y'all, and you know that's good for your skin. I don't really see a huge difference. I mean, I don't know. With someone who has eczema like me, I don't think this is like really doing anything. I mean, it keeps me moisturized, but it doesn't really like do that much, you know. If you get what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying. Like, it's not a bad product, but it doesn't do anything for me. But I probably wouldn't get this again for the simple fact that I'm not really noticing a huge difference in my skin. But I do like it. I like the consistency of it. It's a serum. So, yeah, this is like $45. $45. But, yeah, girl, you already know you can get this from their actual website. Or you can go on Sephora.com. Alright, y'all. So the next thing that I want to tell you about is how to basically just stay fresh even after you get out the shower. If you're out, you know, doing things throughout the day, you still want to smell good, okay? So what I like to use on top of my Aquaphor as well is this Fenty Skin Buttercream, baby. And I think she has a hand cream as well. Girl, when I tell you I love this stuff, it makes my skin so shiny. Like, and it smells, like, to me it smells good, but I think it's unscented, but it smells good. Like, there's something in there. It smells so good, y'all. So yeah, this right here, you definitely need to try this if you have not, or get the hand cream. I'm pretty sure it's just as good. I haven't tried the hand cream, but girl, I'm pretty sure it's just as good. This is really good. If I'm going out for the day and I know I'm not really going nowhere that's like considered me to wear like a really expensive perfume, I love using the Brazilian Crush perfume. I'm gonna have it on the screen. Girl, that perfume is like really my go-to if I'm just gonna be out and about running errands, not really, you know, seeing too many people. I like to use that, and they have so many different scents, y'all. Girl, okay, the blue one, the coconut one, that one smells really good too, y'all. Like, I love those, and you can get those from Sephora as well. Girl, Sephora be having everything, okay? I be in Sephora all the time. I'm a Rogue member, okay? I'm a Rogue member, okay? Like, Rogue, Rouge, however you say it. Girl, I be up in there spending my coins, like, knowing I don't need to. But Sephora be having everything. Alright, little mama, so that is basically the end of this video. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Let me know if you all have tried any of the things that I have suggested. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in my next video.